Right guys, so how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Luke and it's LBTV, and today, yes, we are back with another POV. Well, not another POV, it's been a while since fucking POV. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Luke and it's LBTV, and today, yes, we're bringing back the POVs. I've missed the days, and I know you lot have all missed the days of the POVs. I used to bash them out like there was no tomorrow. I absolutely love the things. They're awesome. They give you such a sick perspective on how to, you know, how things are when you're actually looking directly as a driver, you know what I mean? So it's a lot easier for you guys to be at home to decide if you want to go out and get one of these cars. Plus the fact we've got the saucy sound and exhaust system as well, which is what we're gonna, you know, elevate throughout the whole place, and we're gonna make it sound sick. So we've got tunnels today, we've got good long driving, we've got all sorts of good stuff going on. So for now, we're gonna head off and start our journey with me, facing me, and then we're gonna move on to the POV. The most of it will be the POV later on, but we'll just, for the minute, gonna, you know, get some raw reactions, because I've only driven this car now a handful of times since the exhaust has actually been done, so it's really exciting. To be fair, I need to open up the windows because you guys need to hear this. It's just absolutely incredible. One thing I love, and as everyone's kicking off in the comments, it's just like, literally, it's like, it's not a GTR, it's like a GTR. I know it's not a GTR, Jesus Christ, like if it was a GTR, I'd be loving life, obviously, but you know, for sound wise, for a diesel, it sounds similar, it sounds alike. A lot of people still say it doesn't even sound alike, but if you don't think that, then you're like definitely deluded. So here we go. Let's get first little go. Oh yeah! Listen to that. That is what it's all about. Honestly, that noise, wow. It's such a mad noise. It's so good having this car in auto as well. It's just awesome. And also we've got the adjustable modes, we've got comfort, auto. To be fair, that was an auto as well. We're usually an individual, so I wasn't even an individual, but we'll go again. Listen to the state of that. Like, wow. Oh my days. What a car. I can't wait to hit a tunnel run on this on the POV. That's going to look absolutely naughty, boys. But anyway, what are we thinking? Are we enjoying this car at the minute? A lot of you seem to enjoy now A5 instead of the Clio, which makes me a bit sad because I absolutely love the Clio to bits. And this person's brake lights are making me look like a red person, man. That's not very good, is it? But yeah, wow. Like, this car's cool. Don't get me wrong, it's my daily car. And to be fair, that's probably why you guys enjoy it more. It's, you know, it's a car that you guys can actually watch and put in comparison to yourselves having one. Where the Clio's just a track car, you're not going to daily that, are you? So I can see where you're all coming from. Don't worry, it's okay. Like, I still love you all. You're all sick followers and you're amazing, and I appreciate the lovely comments that you'll give. Just please love the Clio a little bit more, I'd appreciate it. So if I like boot it now, listen, you can still hear it a bit, but it's just not, you know, as loud as with the window down, so that's why I like to keep the windows down. You can hear the turbo spawn, it's absolutely naughty though. Wow. Dropping gear again. Bridge coming up. Jesus! What a sound! I'm telling you now, for a daily, you ain't getting better than that unless you got thousands of pounds and you can have a GTR daily or any other fad mass car. But affordable wise, this thing is unbelievable, lads. Anyway, let's switch it up, get on the road with a POV and give you the proper stuff, because that's what you want. Howdy gang. That's a slow one. I think that's probably like a 2-litre TDI probably. Yeah, it's a TDI. Or it might be even petrol actually. I can't do that. Nightmare. Oh, I think you all know what's coming up after this bridge. You definitely know, don't you, Sham?
Yes, I do.
What was it?
Tunnel.
Tunnel. Something like to hear. Tunnel. Yeah, think about that for a second then, didn't you?
I did.
Anyway, there's only one thing to do here. It's just drop a gear and disappear, but... Well, wait a minute. Windows are definitely being open for this one as well.
A few moments later.
You ready, boys? Woo! Haha! We'll go again in a minute. This will be the one coming out of the tunnel. Yeah! Wow, what a flippin' sound that is, isn't it? That is naughty. That sounds mega, isn't it? There's A5s everywhere. Oh no, is that an A5 or not? I think it's an A5. He liked that. He definitely like that. It's a shame you can't hear a lot because we're not going through towns or anything like that, so like nothing's rebounding off the walls. So that's to make do with me opening my window, but then even then it's like a flipping hurricane coming in the side. And it's cold. Shan's here freezing. No worries, pull out in front of me, mister. Sick one. Should be able to get the bounce off the wall here a bit. That sounds mental. Back into where we go. Wow, what do you reckon of that, Sham?
Very lovely.
Very lovely.
Very lovely indeed.
It's a bit of sauce, isn't it?
Definitely don't have a headache.
Definitely don't have an headache. Jesus. The thing is, it sounds good sometimes from inside, but I think from outside, everyone's just said it just sounds completely different. Well, not completely different, but it's just so much louder from the outside, you say, innit?
Yeah.
But yeah, we ain't got anywhere to really open up now, boys, so I think we'll probably just end off the video in a second. So let me just switch back to the other camera. Right, and you lot, so there it is. The mirror went all skew with that, I don't know what happened. But there's the A5 POV'd and, you know, driven it from this perspective. Shan's there as well, you've already seen. Get in the camera, Sharon, say hi. Hi. But there you go, boys. You got your A5 POV drive. What do you reckon? Drop a comment down below. What more do you want to see done to this? Do you want to see, you know, some more engine work? Thing is, I've classed this as a daily, and I'm already going like. I haven't gone too far with it, but you know, I don't want to go crazy with it. Obviously, next thing is probably going to be, I need to wax some comfort, I was going way too loud. Next thing's probably going to get me de-chroming it. I want to lower it as well, but de-chroming it's definitely on the list. I kind of want to get like an RS front grille, like an RS3, RS5 front grille. That'll look very cool. And then loads of other bits. The wheels are staying, obviously, as you know. And then, I don't know really. I don't know where to stop with this. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. But yeah, if you've enjoyed it, as always, smash the subscribe button and hit the like button as well if you're new to the channel. Also hit that bell button to be notified every single time I upload. Check out all my social media description down below. And if I don't see you before Christmas, have a mad one. I'll be back though for sure, because I'm going to try and get a POV out on the Clio and a few other videos. But if I don't see any of you, or you know, get the chance to make another video for any of you before Christmas, and have a sick Christmas and a New Year. Apart from that, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.